If this was you in the morning and you have no time for breakfast, then instead of running out of house like this, try this. Hi guys, this is Shikha and welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to share my 4 healthy recipes which hardly take 5 minutes to come up with. First up, I'm going to share my green smoothie, which I drink almost every single day. It's super simple to come up with. All you need is your blender, a cup of kale, frozen fruits of your choice. I like to use mixed berries, pineapples and some mangoes. And also you're going to need some superfoods. I like to use chia seeds, hemp hearts, flax meal and pumpkin seed, coconut water, a sprinkle of cinnamon. Once you are up with all the ingredients, dump all that in a blender and blend. And ladies and gentlemen, you have got a perfect healthy kickstarter for your day. This is so good you guys, and I bet you can't even taste the kale. I love it. Hopping on to the next, I have a avocado and egg toast. Okay, so I really just want to take a quick moment and introduce this little guy to you guys, which really comes handy when you are in a rush. This boils the egg within few minutes without actually babysitting. It comes with a little beaker which has a poking thing on the top. All you have to do is just poke the egg on the top and place the egg on the egg cooker and then pour water using that little beaker into the cooker and just power it on. And after few minutes, you are going to have the perfect boiled egg. Next step would be to toast a bread and cut the avocado in half. And then using the fork, apply the avocado on the bread evenly, like so. Once you are done, cut the boiled egg into slices and place it on the toast. Sprinkle some salt and pepper, and my friend, breakfast is served. This breakfast is super quick and takes care of your healthy fats and protein. If you do not eat eggs, go ahead and skip it. It will totally taste good. When it comes to quick and healthy breakfast, how can you skip nut butters? So here I am sharing a classic peanut butter and banana toast. For this, all you need is a toasted slice of bread, peanut butter, here I'm using homemade peanut butter, and a banana. Cut a banana into slices. Onto a toasted slice of bread, apply peanut butter evenly. And then for adding the perfect amount of sweetness, I am topping it with slices of banana. On to the last one. I'm going to share my oatmeal recipe, which is so nutritious and yet delicious. For that, you are going to need a cup of almond milk or regular milk, whatever you prefer, half cup of oatmeal, some nuts and some superfoods. I like to use almonds, chia seeds, flax seeds and hemp hearts. So this is how I make it, and it takes less than 5 minutes to come up with. So I like to make my oatmeal with almond milk instead of water to get that nice rich consistency. To that I am adding all the nuts and seed and bring this mixture to a simmer and let it cook away until those oats have absorbed all the liquids. Lastly, drizzle some maple syrup for that extra sweetness. Then you will have a nice rich oatmeal that is ready to serve. I like to top my oatmeal with some blueberries, slice of bananas and some pumpkin seed for that crunch. Here you go, breakfast. Keep in mind that the whole recipe will be mentioned in the description box down below, so feel free to check. And also, if you like this video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time. Till then, bye.